Hi, I'm Galila Sinatra. I'm here to show you how to use the spot-on choreography system. We're going to do a quick demonstration. Res the designer from your inventory and place it where you want your start position to be. The blue line needs to face in the direction that you wish to face when you start. So using the SL Edit tools, rotate it, and there we go. Now to add our waypoints. Click the designer ring, choose add waypoint. There will be a pop-up. You click that yes, and that's only one time. So now I want to edit linked parts because it's all one piece. So edit linked parts and drag the arrow to your first position. Click the ring again, add waypoint, take the second arrow, edit linked parts, grab the second arrow and drag it to your second position. Making sure to turn the arrow in the direction you wish to face while you travel to that arrow. Click the designer ring again, add waypoint, edit linked, and grab that arrow and drag it to your next waypoint. I'm only going to do 3 waypoints here. Okay, so we have that. So now what we want to do is set the time and the pause time. I click an arrow, time, and I enter a time. This is the time that I want to take between my start position and that arrow. If I want to pause, I click it again and I choose sleep time. I'm going to put 4 seconds. So that I click the second arrow, the time, 3 seconds. I don't need to pause there. So I move on to the next arrow, time, and I put 4 seconds. The default is 1 second between each and 0 pause time. So now I want to get note card. Clicking the designer ring, I choose get note card, and in the chat you'll see begin note card, end note card, and all in between. This is what you need to copy and paste into the mover card. So now I res the mover, placing it in the center of the ring and turning it so that that arrow faces in the same direction as the blue line. Try and get it as centered as you can in the designer ring. So then edit it and open the movement card inside and paste the text you copied from chat. Save it and close. It resets itself. So now we're ready to test our route. Right click, sit here, use page up to get your feet out of the floor, and wear the HUD from your inventory. Right click, add or wear, and we have the 3 buttons, play, pause, and stop, reset. I'm going to hit play and off I go. My first arrow, I pause the 4 seconds. Second arrow, pausing. You can also hit pause on your HUD and it will pause manually at the next waypoint that it reaches. And it tells you it's complete in local chat. So now if I hit reset, it takes me back to the start. But what if I want to edit this? Simple. All I have to do is hop off, and I'm going to add another waypoint. So I click either the arrow or the ring and say add waypoint and drag that waypoint out. And I want to show you how smoothly the designer can do complete U-turns, so I'm going to add one there and do a complete 180. If I wanted to change the times, sleep times on any of these, I would just click the arrow, and go to that menu and choose which one. I'm going to add a sleep time to the second arrow. So now what I need to do is generate a new note card. Click the ring again, choose Get Note Card. There's my new info I need to copy and paste into the mover note card. Save, close, and I'm ready to hop on again. Page up and push play. There I go. Now if I wanted to edit this later, all I would do is just pick up the ring with all the arrows spread out like that. They're all linked, so you could just pick it up and res it later on and just keep working on your project. If you're done with it, all you would have to do is hit the red button and choose Reset on the menu, and all of the arrows will go back inside the ring, as so. And the mover, I would just pick the mover up and then res it wherever I was going to do my show. You would pick up the ring and pick up the mover.